meet Nikhil, who works for a startup company. Nikhil is very sad and upset most of the time because he's not able to handle the relationship with different people around him. He's constantly trying to please people, letting people take advantage of him, worried more about how others feel, and he can't say no to others. That causes him a lot of anger, frustration, resentment, stress, anxiety, and negativity. He doesn't know what to do. And then one day he gets an idea. How about going and meeting his friend Rajan? Maybe he should be able to help. So off he goes and meets Rajan and shares his thoughts, feelings, and challenges. Rajan listens very attentively to him and then tells him, "You need to set boundaries if you want to handle your relationship with other people effectively." Nikhil wonders what the hell are boundaries. So he asks, "What do you mean by boundaries?" Rajan: "The limits and rules we set for ourselves within relationships." Further, Rajan explains, boundaries are our own personal guidelines about how people will treat us, how people will behave around us, and what we expect from others. Nikhil: "Why are boundaries important?" Rajan: "For our self-worth, mutually caring relationship, to decrease stress, to reduce anxiety and confusion, caring for your own needs, and facing your fears." Nikhil: "How do I set my boundaries?" Rajan: "Let me explain the 5 steps of setting healthy boundaries." Rajan then explains the 5 steps of setting healthy boundaries. So first, define the boundary, whether it is physical, mental, emotional, relational, sexual, spiritual, or legal. And then what exactly will be the boundary for each area. Second, communicate what you need. For example, I need some time to myself when I get back from work. Number 3, stay simple and don't over explain. A simple no can also be enough. Number 4, set consequences. Say why it is important. For example, if you cross your boundary, I will leave the room or hang up the phone. Number 5, expect resistance. People are going to resist, but you remain firm and don't take other person's reaction personally. So once you follow these steps, you will be able to set healthy boundaries. Rajan tells Nikhil, if you set your healthy boundaries, it will act as an armored shield and protect you from people taking advantage of you. Nikhil then thanks Rajan for opening his eyes and showing him how to set healthy boundaries, and promises Rajan that he will implement the 5 steps with commitment and make it a habit. Nikhil is happy to learn about building healthy boundaries. Are you? So if you found the video useful, please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach, virtual trainer, and guide. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.